Welcome to Counselors Online Services, or COLS. This video will show you how to interpret the information in the student checklist. The student checklist is an Excel file you can download that shows all students who have added your school to the education section of their undergraduate application. This includes students who have submitted or not submitted an application, and students whose grades have or have not been matched to their application. With the Excel file format, you can easily sort the information. To download the Excel file, click Student Checklist in the Service Links menu, and then open the file in your Downloads folder on your computer. In the Application Status column, you can see if the student has submitted their undergraduate application or not. If they have not submitted their application, the OUAC reference number column will be empty. If they have submitted their application, you will see their OUAC reference number. Tip: make sure you have enabled editing for the Excel file so that you can see the OUAC reference numbers. You can see whether the student has been identified as Group A or B based on the information they have provided in their application. If they show as a Group A applicant, the student has indicated that they currently attend your school and will receive or have already received their OSSD. If they show as a Group B applicant, the student has indicated that they are not working toward their OSSD. You can also see the date that the student submitted their application. This column will be blank if they have not submitted their application yet. Sometimes applicants select the wrong high school in their application. In the Homeschool and COLS column, you will see the school that sent grades to the OUAC for the student and is set as their home school. Contact the OUAC if you have students who should show your school as their home school but do not. In the Grade Status column, you will see if a student has grades matched to their application or not. Contact the OUAC if there are students you have reported grades for, but who are showing as unmatched. For more details about the student checklist, including how to interpret different statuses in the checklist, go to the guidance website. You have now learned how to view and interpret the information in the student checklist. For more features and tips about using COLS, check out the COLS resource section on the guidance website.